Hi, this is Pranav Guha Thakurta from EduTV. Today we have got a star-studded screen today with us. We have the famous Dr. Emmanuel, Dr. Joseph Emmanuel, who is the academic director of CBSE. And with us is Mrs. Manila Carvalho. She's a principal of Delhi Public School East Bangalore, and she's also the head of Sahoday Association of Bangalore and some parts of Karnataka. Ma'am, welcome. Sir, you're doing a, I think, huge event, building competencies in the challenging conditions. Sir, how it will help the masses apart from stakeholders of education?
Now, this is a conference which is planning to take up the thinking into reality. When the thinking and planning is practically implemented in the field, then it will become a reality. And Sahodaya conferences are always been a platform to translate the planning process into action. So CBSE schools are following this practice for the last 25 years, more than 25 years, and this is the 26th conference. So in every conference, the schools will come together. They will discuss the emerging issues, then find a solution to implement the plan of action in their respective schools. So this has been a practice followed by the CBSE system for the last quarter of a century, and this has been found very meaningful and effective. So the collaborative approach of CBSE schools has really helped the schools to share the best practices as well as coming together and rising together. And this is helping the education system to achieve excellence.
Mrs. Manila Carvalho, I would like to have your views on this such a big kind of a conference you are doing with all the principals. I could read there, I think more than 400 principals will be attending it. And people like Professor M.M. Pant, then Mrs. Kiran Shaw is coming as speakers, and Dr. Joseph Emmanuel is there. I think he's very famous among all the principals across the world. So, ma'am, what is the message you want to give through this conference, and what are the objectives?
We are really grateful to CBSE for allowing Bangalore Sahodaya to host this conference, and we have painfully taken troubles to go through the different topics that we are going to cover up during the conference, because we are all in the challenging situation at the moment, and we need to rise above that. We cannot succumb to the challenges. So we want to prepare the schools, especially the teaching community, who is directly in charge of the students. So we can build up that kind of confidence level in them and teach them the right method, how to rise to the occasion rather than succumbing to these challenges. So that is the reason, we are, spearheading this mega event with the support of CBSE. And we have nearing 4,000 participants for this event, and looking forward for that tomorrow.
Pranav, it is 4,000 principals. So 4,000 school leaders. You can imagine the magnitude of this conference. The idea is to take the, the implementation of the new education policy, whatever the policy has been envisioned. This is the first step towards implementing those objectives in the CBSE schools. And once we implement it in the CBSE schools, the whole country can take it as a model and adapt it and adopt it and implement according to their own requirements, as well as their own, what you call it is whatever is suitable to their requirements.
Thank you so much. I wish all the best for tomorrow's and after tomorrow's conference. I'm sure with people like Madam Manila and experts like Dr. Joseph, I mean, it will go very nicely, very successfully. It will definitely help all the stakeholders of education in taking this new practice organized by you.